I film a lot of talking head and interview video, and one of the things that I run into sometimes is, like with my own skin tone, it's a little bit pasty sometimes. So there are a variety of ways that you can warm up skin tones a little bit. And one very common way that's been used for a very long time is bouncing light off of or shooting light through something called unbleached muslin. It's a fabric. It's not perfectly white. It has a little bit of a kind of a tannish color to it. And that's what we're using here to light me as our key light. I'm bouncing a 600 watt daylight balanced light, an Aperture 600D Pro, through the Spotlight Max, hitting the unbleached muslin right here, and that's bouncing back towards me. So that's what you're seeing right here. Now, how does that compare to using white bounce? Here is a comparison between the two. So we used a sound blanket with which looks very much like a bleached white side to it. But if you pause here and take a look, this is what I see. I see a very, very slight difference here with the unbleached muslin showing nicer skin tones with less magenta and slightly warmer highlights. So the white bounce had more of a white highlight to the skin tones. And of course, the unbleached muslin has sort of a warmer highlight to it. So that's a big difference. So here's the question. Very simply, is it worth it? This particular piece of unbleached muslin is seamless. So I bought this for $79. It has grommets and ties and everything. It's made for gaffing. It's made for lighting designs. You can also DIY it. So if you went to any sort of fabric retailer, you should be able to buy unbleached muslin fairly affordably. And you can do something similar to this as well to add that little nuance, that just slightly better skin tones. And now, after watching this, you're a little bit smarter and you have another tool for your lighting toolbox. Get out there and make some great videos. Talk to you again soon.